basically. Okay, so first, how's your 4th of July yesterday? Mine wasn't great. So basically, um, well, you guys just see my music playlist, but anyways, basically, yesterday, me and my family went to go to this like area yesterday, and I'm going to draw like the fireworks I didn't get to see while telling this story. But did I get an ad? No. Okay. Oh my god, that's really loud. Okay, that was like really loud. But basically, there's this area where yesterday it was like where there was this like supposed to be this firework and like drone show for the 4th of July. But apparently, the 4th of July wasn't really the 4th of July. I don't know why I did this like the little pencil thing. Alright, no, next time that just like pops up, I'm going to press like close. But anyways, okay, well, anyways, basically, we're supposed to see these fireworks, and it was supposed to be like, oh wow, so pretty, yeah. So we were all like, me, my dad, and my 2 sisters, and my mom, we went to go see them, like at the area that they were supposed to be at, and then like it was empty. So like, just to give you like a little bit of what was supposed to be there was supposed to be like all these food trucks and stuff, and just like a whole bunch of like stuff for fun, like prizes or something for like a hot dog eating competition or something like that. But basically, let's like, one second, I forgot how to add like, oh, it's right here. Okay. Anyways, so basically that's supposed to happen and stuff. So we are all like, well, where is it? And then we see these like other families who are also like confused about it. And this one guy, like, he went to ask us, he was like, oh, were y'all supposed to see the fireworks too? And like, my dad, he said, yeah, or something like that. It was like, yeah, we don't know where it is and stuff, and they're like looking, and then we're all like there's a whole bunch of cars that are all like white trucks at like this parked area and stuff, and we're all expecting like, that's not gonna work. We're all expecting like fireworks and stuff because come on, it's like supposed to be a fireworks show, you know? And then like, I think I messed up. Okay. It's just like, and then to a pink. Sorry, I'm going off topic. Okay. Try that again. Okay. So anyways, that's supposed to happen, so we were like all looking for the fireworks and stuff, and there's these like other families everywhere, like also looking for fireworks, and all of them were parents. Most of them. So there's this other guy, like while we're still looking, and the event was supposed to happen like straight at 9, and it hits 9 o'clock, and then that's when we find out that they were doing the thing on the 3rd of July. So they did it on the 3rd of July. We all got scammed. So there's all these cars and stuff, and like most of the people were mad, and I'm mad because I'm like, well, what the heck? I wanted to, like, I had a video idea for that where it's like I'm just filming the fireworks and something like that. So, like, I was going to film the fireworks and stuff. And then we find out, oh, well, can't see the fireworks, so that was nice. But that was, like, really, really stupid. Yeah, but I just had to tell you that because, like, what the heck? Bye! I'll show y'all the art, like, later.